Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best long plastic table is probably one of the most versatile pieces of equipment you can own. Whether you're planning a backyard barbecue, a craft fair, or simply need extra space for a large gathering, a reliable long plastic table is a must-have. Today, we're diving deep into the world of these tables, exploring their features, durability, and value to help you find the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. Flash Furniture Elon 6-foot Folding Training Table. This table is designed for training rooms and classrooms. It comfortably seats up to 3 adults on one side, ensuring everyone has a clear view. Use it at conventions, for parties, or to display information. The table is perfect for handing out brochures or providing space for various activities. The waterproof plastic tabletop and powder-coated legs ensure durability. It can handle up to 220 pounds, making it a reliable choice for any setting. The foldable leg design makes it easy to transport and store. Non-marring floor caps protect your floors while moving the table. No assembly is required. It measures 18W x 72D x 29H, providing ample space for all your needs. It's ready to go right out of the box. What we like. This table is perfect for training rooms or classrooms. Its durable construction ensures it can withstand years of use, and the foldable design makes storage a breeze. If you are looking for a reliable table for events or training sessions, you should consider this one. What people say. The table is very sturdy and can hold a lot of weight. It is easy to clean. The table is lightweight and easy to carry. Number 4. Smiry 6-pack Disposable Waterproof Tablecloths. These disposable tablecloths come in a pack of 6, offering great value. They are perfect for various events, from dinner parties to outdoor picnics. This makes it a versatile choice for any occasion. Made from high-quality PVA materials, this tablecloth is built to last. It ensures vibrant colors and long-lasting use. You can rely on it for both indoor and outdoor events. The surface is completely waterproof, protecting your tables from spills and stains. Cleaning is a breeze, simply wipe it down with a damp cloth. After use, just throw it away. Designed for ultimate convenience, this makes setup and cleanup incredibly easy. It's lightweight and portable, fitting easily into your bag for dining on the go. It is perfect for any event. This rectangular tablecloth measures 108 by 54 inches, suitable for many tables. It's ideal for dining, weddings, parties, and outdoor activities. It is a great choice for any event. What we like. This tablecloth offers the ultimate in convenience with its disposable design. It's also waterproof and easy to clean, protecting your table from spills and stains. If you like hassle-free cleanup after parties or picnics, you should consider this one. What people say. The table is very sturdy. It is easy to clean. The table is lightweight. Number 3. HLPB 6-feet Folding Picnic Table Set. This is the HLPB Folding Table Picnic Set. It includes a 6-foot camping table and 2 benches. It's perfect for various occasions. Made with premium HDPE material and reinforced steel legs, this set is built to last. The table can hold up to 300 pounds, and each bench can hold up to 650 pounds. The set features a foldable design, making setup quick and easy. It's ideal for both indoor and outdoor activities, from camping to backyard parties. Safety is a priority with this set. It includes a triangular bracket anti-folding lock and a safety lock on the tabletop for added security. This set is designed for easy transport and storage. Its compact, foldable design makes it perfect for on-the-go use and storage. Whether you're hosting a party or need a workspace, this set is perfect. It's suitable for patios, gardens, poolside areas, lawns, and more. What we like. This set includes both a table and benches, perfect for gatherings. It features a sturdy and safe design with a triangular bracket anti-folding lock and a safety lock. If you are planning outdoor events or need a complete seating solution, you should consider this one. What people say. Felt sturdy as well and folded up super small for easy storage. Easily portable and very sturdy. Table is slightly longer than normal, which I like, and the benches can easily fit 3 to maybe 4 adults. Number 2. Flash Furniture Kathryn 5-foot folding table. This versatile table is ideal for training rooms and classrooms. It comfortably seats up to 2 adults, providing a clear view for everyone. Use it at convention centers, art parties, or to distribute materials. It's perfect for any event where you need a reliable surface. The durable construction features a waterproof plastic tabletop and powder-coated legs. It can support up to 330 pounds of static weight, ensuring years of use. The foldable leg design makes it easy to move and store. Non-marring floor caps protect your floors from damage. No assembly is required, and it measures 18W x 60D x 29H. It's the perfect size for all your needs. What we like. This table is perfect for training rooms or classrooms. Its durable construction ensures it can withstand years of use, and the foldable design makes storage a breeze. If you are looking for a reliable table for events or training sessions, you should consider this one. What people say. The table is very sturdy. The table is easy to clean. The table is lightweight and easy to carry. Number 1. 4-feet folding table, Granite white. This folding table offers 2 adjustable heights, making it perfect for various activities. Whether it's a picnic, indoor event, or camping trip, it can be adjusted to your needs. When open, it measures 25 by 48 by 29 inches, and folds down to 25 by 24 by 2.7 inches for easy storage. It weighs 18.74 pounds and can hold up to 440 pounds. It features a heavy-duty white top and powder-coated steel legs. The stain-resistant surface is slightly textured to prevent scratches, but smooth enough to write on. Made from high-density polyethylene, HDPE, plastic, this table is built to last. It's also UV-protected, water-resistant, and crack-resistant. It's perfect for dining, games, serving, or display. Use it for outdoor cookouts, birthday parties, or even as a homeschool table for indoor events. What we like. This table offers adjustable height settings, making it versatile for various needs. It features a heavy-duty construction with a stain-resistant and easy-to-clean surface. If you like flexibility and ease of use for indoor or outdoor events, you should consider this one. What people say. The table is very sturdy and can hold a lot of weight. It is easy to clean. The table is lightweight and easy to carry. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.